Eerlik, ek moes net toestemming kry by my bevelvoerder om die betrokke masterkoppies na die hof toe te bring.
My lady, I had to get permission from my superior in order to bring the master cards or master copies to court.
En verder het ek net die masterkoppies. Ek het gister gesê die prosedure is dat dit by die klerk gehou word.
I explained to the court yesterday that the procedure was that they were being kept by the administration clerk. Yeah.
En dit het my ontgaan dat ek in besit was eintlik van die masterkoppies.
I simply forgot that I was the one who was in possession of the master copies, my lady.
Ek het 'n opdrag van my provinsiale bevelvoerder gekry met die tyd van die neem van die foto's van die toneel.
I received an order from my commander from the provincial, what is it?
Commander.
From my commander, provincial commander, my lady.
Dat al die foto's wat geverifieer word en die masterkopies van gemaak word,
That
aan
all
my
the
moet
copies
gegee
that
word.
have been verified as well as the master copies should be kept by me, my lady.
Vir die rede dat dit nie op die klerk se rekenaar gestoor word nie.
For reasons so that they shouldn't be kept in the clerk's system.
So ek het die koppies in my kantoor in 'n kas toegesluit.
So I locked the copies in a cupboard in my office.
Know more about your world.
ENCA.com.